First bass. We're gonna have to throw him back. He's bleeding. All right, bud. Swim off. Off he goes. That's good. First bass of the day. Lost one over there earlier. Not bad. Ned rig once again. One of my new favorite rigs. Shorty hasn't caught a fish yet. Quite sad. Quite sad, really. Doesn't count though. Has got a bat. He doesn't know if he can land it by himself, I guess. Oh, it's just a little guy.
There's too much brush. Ouch.
Well, this is gonna be it for the episode. Well, I'll probably count it in with I'm going fishing in the river, kayaking. He's bleeding. Hurry up. But this will be it for the pond. Hope you enjoyed this part. I catch anything in the river while kayaking, I'll record it. Hopefully, it'll be smallmouth, not largemouth. But yeah, that's it for the episode. So, video. What about going in? But I hope you enjoy this portion of the video. Out here, don't ask about the pink kayak. I'm using somebody else's. I caught the smallest little smallie ever. But I'm just glad I caught something. 1-0 on the challenge. Oh, I have to show him then. I just caught smallie number 2. And as I picked him up and took a look at, hang on, I'm going to end it. And as I went to take a look out, he flopped it. So, well, there goes smallmouth 2. That's 2 for today. Well, in the river. Caught others in the pond. Let's try and catch another one. Fish number 3. Must be the treble hooks in this thing, but I went to pull it up. The slack in the line just popped them right out. The boat safely, well, kayak, are the little dinkers that are about 4 inches. But at least I got it in, so. Fish number 4. Oh, see what I'm talking about with that slack? Here's number 5. Number 3 on camera. He's a little bit bigger than the last one I got on camera. See, the hooks are slowly coming off. Number 5 or 6? I think it's 6. Right here, he fell off the hook. We got to, there he is. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to species. Number 7 on the fish. This one here is number 8 for the day. I don't know why they're so small. I guess the big ones aren't out biting yet. 9 here. It's a sunfish. I'll just toss it back.